Not every insight needs to be built from scratch. If someone's already created a report that shows error rates, traffic trends, or latency over time, you can reuse it. In Konnect, you can pull existing reports into any dashboard and tweak them. You can update filters or just time range so that they fit your exact context. That means less time rebuilding the same charts and more time focusing on what matters. It's a faster way to build, a smarter way to stay consistent, and a great way to share insight across teams. So let me show you how to reuse and customize a report in your dashboard. So I'm already logged in into my Konnect organization. I'm on the analytics section. So let's head over first to reports. As you can see, I have a bunch of predefined reports. So reports are really assets that you can reuse, like saved queries. And these can now be reused or leveraged in your dashboards as well. So let's head over to dashboards. Let's choose one of my dashboards in here. Say we used shared services dashboard. As you can see, I have a bunch of different charts here already, but I actually want to add one more. And now I have the choice between creating a complete new chart from scratch or use an existing report. Now, as you can see here, this is a list of all existing reports that exist within my organization. I can also search for something specific. I like this status code per road. Let's choose this one for now. Now, I actually got like a preview of what I'm actually looking for. I can remove this one again, and I can just here use the preview function to understand what is actually shown within the report if I need to. I'm still sticking with the status code per route for now, and I can add this immediately to the dashboard if I think that is actually enough. I don't have to treat that at all, but I actually want to basically make it look only for status codes that are actually errors. So I go to select and edit. Now I'm on the edit tile view. What I can do now is I can actually now just add an additional filter, and I'm adding the status code groups that are only in the error category. Define errors as 400 and 500s, and I apply. As you can see now, obviously this is now updated. I also want to make sure that right now it's showing a fixed time frame for the last 7 days. I actually want the chart to be adapted using the global dashboard time. So I'm changing it to dashboard time so it's always flexible. And now I save. And now it's actually added here at the bottom. I may just drag this a little bit to make this bigger so that the information are better shown. I'd actually drag this here. This is much better for me now. Now I have a dashboard and I reuse some of the saved reports. And therefore, I didn't spend time to actually look for what I need to show, what I need to drop down. The interface is already simple to create those, but we even made it simpler by just sharing best practices and selecting an existing configuration of a chart with all its filters, with all its visualization, etc., etc. So think about a platform team now building this knowledge base of different charts that can be reused by any team to build their own dashboards in seconds instead of minutes and hours. This is a really cool feature that we're really proud of. And there's a lot more in GA that I could present today, but that is for another video, so stay tuned.